Remember, you are a descendant of the Guardians, the few who kept the human flame alive when this world went cold. The 14 billion year old story of humanity is tucked away in your marrow, but it's locked. To reach it, you must break the 7 seals, the 7 chains that keep the human spirit in a heavy sleep. Today, I'm going to talk about the first 3, the blood anchors. The first 3 chains are physical. They are the weight in your veins that keep you reactive, fearful, and easy to manage. We call this the rhesus anchor. It's the mud in your system that keeps your signal low and your stress high. To dissolve this anchor, you use the Judah frequency. In ancient tongue, Judah means praise. It's a physical command. One command is 0-point recognition. To activate this, you cannot have a reason to be grateful. If you're grateful because of something, you're still a slave to the outside world. Close your eyes and find a state of gratitude for the fact that you are a conscious observer. You are thanking the source for the gift of I am before any name, job, or story added to it. This is the 0 point. Okay, now the frequency needs a physical carrier. You aren't just thinking it, you are vibrating it. As you breathe out, use a deep resonant tone, the sound ah or ha. This is the frequency of your heart opening. If you can physically reach a throw your hand outward, this physical motion signals to your nervous system that you are in a state of expansion, not a survival-based contraction. While you hold the ha, ah sound and the feeling of unconditional praise, visualize your heart as a filter. See your blood, which is currently carrying the static of stress, fear, and the rhesus factor, passing through your glowing furnace of your heart. As the blood passes through, the gratitude acts like a solvent. It dissolves the sticky cortisol and the adrenaline, the survival chemicals. See your blood turning from a thick red to a bright crystalline crimson. Once you feel the warmth in your chest, you direct that frequency downward to your bones. And think, I am the sanctuary. My blood is clean. The old contract is dissolved. This isn't just positive thinking. You're literally changing the pH and the hormonal makeup of your plasma. You're preparing the water of your body to carry the high voltage signal of your marrow breath. But remember, you cannot break the chains if you're still building the cage for the other side. If you do the internal work, but still use your right hand to support the system of fear, you are relocking the chains every night. Sovereignty means your actions must match your pulse. You have to stop acting like a servant if you want to live like a guardian. This is where I'm stuck. I work full time and I'm always using my hands to keep the system running, trying to juggle this. But this is my train of thought. I'm using the system to exit the system. So my right hand is actually building an arc, right? If you have a job that requires you to lie or enforce fear, then